Hello everyone, this is UPSC 2023 Agriculture Optional Question Paper. So the question is, briefly discuss round the year marigold cultivation with reference to varieties, sowing and transplanting, disease management and value addition. So in this question we have to talk about the varieties, sowing and transplanting, disease management and the value addition in respect of marigold cultivation. So marigold, it is a Tegites species, so it is a major commercial flower crop valued for its adaptability, continuous market demand and suitability for the year-round cultivation. So successful production requires the appropriate varietal selection, season-wise sowing, scientific transplanting, integrated disease management and the value addition. So this is the brief introduction that you can write for the marigold cultivation, and in the introduction you can write all these parameters that we want to write in this answer. Now the varieties, there are two main varieties cultivated are African marigold, that is Tegetes erecta. Examples are Pusa Narangi Genda, Arka Alok, Arka Agni, etc. The next variety is French marigold, that is Tegetes petula. And these examples are Pusa Arpita, Arka Abha. So these are the main varieties under the marigold. Now sowing and transplanting. So well drained loamy soil of pH between 7 to 7.5 is suitable for the sowing, and seeds are sown throughout the year in all the three seasons. A nursery is raised with 1.5 kg seeds per hectare, and the seedlings are transplanted after 4 weeks on one side of the ridge at 45 into 35 centimeter spacing. So this is the transplanting part. Now treat the seeds with azospirillum 200 grams in 50 ml of rice gruel before sowing. Rice gruel is a kind of rice porridge, that is we boil the rice in the water or a mill and a slurry is made, and then we add the azospirillum in that, and then it is then seeds are treated with this. And avoid water stagnation and apply 45 ratio 90 ratio 75 kg of nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium fertilizers per hectare as a basal, and 45 kg nitrogen per hectare as a top dressing 45 days after planting. So these are the points that you have to write under the sowing and transplanting, that how we what precautions we have to take and how we have to do the proper transplanting. Then disease management. So these are common diseases. So first is leaf spot. So how we can manage this? So foliar application of hexaconazole at 1 ml per liter and mancozeb at 2 gram per liter of water. Then powdery mildew disease, spray sulfex at 3 gram per liter of the water. Then flower bud rot, spray mancozeb at 2 gram per liter, and damping off, it is most prevalent at the seedling stage. So soil sterilization by the formalin at 2% before sowing, and spraying of Dithane Z78 at 2 gram per liter. So these are some of the common diseases that are occurred in the marigold, and these are the management, like these are the measures how we can manage these diseases. Now value addition. So it's very important to get the profit out of the marigold cultivation. So medicinal properties like anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer can be utilized in the pharmaceutical and nutraceutical sectors. Then flower ornaments, bouquets, loose flowers and garlands for religious and ornamental or decorative purposes. Now the lutein, that is a major pigment that is extracted from the marigold, that comes under the carotenoid variety. Carotenoid is a major classification for yellow and orange like color compounds, and under the carotenoid pigments one compound is lutein that is extracted from the marigold, that is used for the natural colorants like food coloring, dietary supplements and eye health products. See, carotenoid pigments, they are beneficial for the eye health because when we consume the carotenoids and in our body these carotenoids are converted to the vitamin A. That's why these pigments which comes under the carotenoid are useful for the eye health. Hence, a scientific round the year marigold cultivation supported by proper disease management and value addition can be beneficial for higher yield of marigold. So in this way you can write your answer. Thank you and keep watching my videos.